kaporange mago mag kuyo kendo komiti matao chenro mar ik mar Seneta ma Baringo Baringo William Cheptumo kokalo kuom jakom komiti no Simon Chelugui olando ni Cheptumo ibiro kowe wuodhe mogik tarik 1 dwe mar adek e pare ma Bartabwa e kaunti ma Baringo. Cheptumo nyowito ngimane odiochieng' manyore osiptal ma Nairobi kama osebedo koyudie thieth. Jotelo mopogore mawuok e kaunti ma Baringo kotelne kod gavana Baringo Benjamin Cheboi oparo Cheptumo kaka jatelo mano kelo lokruok e siasa ma Baringo e kinde mane en jaod bura kuom higni 15.
He touched many lives, and his life was a testimony of hard work, humility, and the highest standards of democratic principles, justice, and fairness. He rose from humble background to be a national leader who served for about 2 decades in both the National Assembly and the Senate. He was a consummate practitioner of law, which gave him a strong foothold in Kenya's journey of constitutional, political, and judicial reforms.
This is a gallant person. He has been involved in the politics of this country during the change in the constitution and up to the time of ICC, as has been said. So indeed, we as Baringo County shall miss him. We all take this opportunity to once again mourn with the family and to welcome the Kenyan public to our county.
And we also remember that Cheptumo gave us an upfront in matters in security. And today we celebrate the relative peace